Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Study Point. In previous video we had discussed about the exercise 5.2, our remaining sums. In today's lecture friends, we had discussed about exercise 5.3, question number 1 and question number 2. We know that friends, exercise 5.2 is totally depend upon this formula, that is a plus b cube is equals to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3a square b plus b cube. In exercise 5.3, question number 1 is totally depend upon a minus b cube is equals to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. And the question number 2 of exercise 5.3 is a combination of these two formulas, that is a plus b cube and a minus b cube. It is the combination of a plus b cube and a minus b cube. So friend, the first sum of exercise 5.3 is 2m minus 5 cube. It is similar to exercise 5.2. Only difference is there is plus and here is minus. Therefore we use the minus formula, that is a minus b cube is equals to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. Due to this minus sign, there are alternate plus minus. There is plus minus plus minus. So now friends, we know our a is 2m and b is 5. Substitute the value of a and b in the formula, that is a cube mean 2m cube minus 3a square, that is 2m square, b means 5 plus 3a, that is 2m, b square, that is 5 square, minus b cube, that is 5 cube. Now friend, we know that 2 cube, that is 8, m cube is m cube minus 3, 2 square is 4, m square is m square, and 5 as it is, plus 3 into 2 6m, 5 square is 25 minus 5 cube is 125. Now friend, we know that 8m cube as it is, 4 3s are 12m square into 5 plus 6 into 25, we know that 0 3, 6 2s are 12 and 150 m minus 125. Now friend, 8m cube minus 60m square plus 150 m minus 125. This is our final answer. Now friend, we see the question number 2. The second question is 4 minus p cube. Similar, first of all apply the formula, that is a minus b cube is equals to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. Here our a is 4 and the b is p. Now apply a as 4 and b as p. A cube is 4 cube minus 3a square, that is 4 square, b is p plus 3ab square means 3a, a is 4, b square is p square minus b cube, that is p cube. 4 cube is, we know the 4 cube, that is 64 minus 3 into 4 square, that is 16p plus 4 3s are 12p square minus p cube. Now friends, 64 as it is, 16 3s are 48p plus 12p square minus p cube. This is our final answer. Now friend, we start with our third sum, that is very easy, that is 7x minus 9y cube. Similar step, first of all apply our formula, that is a minus b cube is equals to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. Now friend, in this example our a is 7x and b is 9y, therefore a cube is 7x cube minus 3a square, that is 7x square, b is 9y plus 3a, that is 7x, b square is 9y square minus b cube, sorry friends, that is b cube, minus b cube means 9y cube. We know the 7 cube, that is 343 x cube minus 3 into 7 square, that is 49, and x square is x square into 9y plus 7 3s are 21x, 9 square is 81y square minus 9 cube is 729y cube. Now friend, this 343x cube as it is, 3 into 49x square into 9y, we get 1323 x square y. 21x into 81y square we get plus 1701 xy square minus this 729y cube as it is. Now write down our final answer, that is 343x cube minus 1323x square y plus 1701xy square minus 729y cube. Now friend, we see our fourth example, that is 58 cube. We see the similar type of sums in our previous exercise 5.2. That is you know that 101 we write down as 100 plus 1. But in this type of sum, write down 58 as 60 minus 2 cube. Now apply the minus formula, that is a minus b cube is equals to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. A is 60 and our b is 2. Now apply, substitute the value of a and b, that is 60 cube minus 3a square, that is 60 square into 2 plus 3ab square means a is 60, b square is 2 square minus b cube is 2 cube. We know that 60 cube is 216,000 and 60 square is 3600 into 2 plus 6 3 is 180, 2 square is 4 and 2 cube is 8. Now friends, 216,000 as it is. While we multiply 3 with this 36 and this 2, we get 216,000 plus 720 minus 8. Now friend, add these two numbers, that is 216,000 and 720. 216,000 plus 720 and minus 216,000 plus 8. We keep minus as common. While we keeping minus as common, ब्रैकेट के अंदर प्लस आ जाएगा. 216,000 plus 720 we get 216,720 minus 21608. While we subtracting, we get 195,112 as our final answer. Now the friend, fifth sum of exercise 5.3 is 198 cube. Similar step, write down 198 as 200 minus 2 cube. Apply the formula of a minus b cube is equals to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. Due to minus, there are alternate plus minus, that is plus minus plus minus. Here our a is 200 and b is 2. Now apply formula, that is substitute the value 200 as a, that is 200 cube minus 3a square, that is 200 square, b as 2 plus 3ab square means 3 into 200 into b square, that is 2 square minus b cube, that is 2 cube. Now we know the 200 cube, that is 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, that is 200 cube is 8 and 6 zeros minus 3 and 200 square is 40,000, that is 41, 2, 3 into 2 plus 3 into 2, that is 600, 4, 2 square is 4, 2 cube is 8. Now write down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 minus 4 into 3, that is 12 and 4 0 as it is 1, 2, 3, 4 into 2 plus 6 into 4, that is 24 and 2 0 as it is n minus 8. While we solving these terms, we get the final answer as 80,024,00 minus 24,0008. Then subtract these two terms, we get the final answer, that is 7762392 as our final answer. Now friend, we see the sixth sum, that is 2p minus 1 upon 2p cube. In this sum, our a is 2p and b is 1 by 2p. Now apply formula, that is a minus b cube is equals to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. A cube that is 2p cube minus 3a square that is 2p square b that is 1 by 2p plus 3 into a that is 2p b square is 1 by 2p square minus b cube that is 1 by 2p cube. Now friend, 2p cube we know the 2 cube that is 8, that is 8p cube minus 3 into 2 square that is 4p square, 2p the whole bracket square, therefore there is 2 square and p square. Write down 1 by 2p as it is plus 3 into 2p that is 6p, 1 square is 1, 2p square is 4p square minus 1 cube is 1 and 2p cube is 8p cube. Now friend, write down 8p cube as it is minus 3 into 4p square that is 12p square upon 2p plus 6p upon 4p square minus 1 by 8p cube. While solving these terms, we get 2 1s are 2, 2 6 are 12. There are 2p and there are 1p, therefore 1p is cancelled. Therefore we get 8p cube minus 6p. Here also same, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. Here are 2p, here is 1p, therefore 1p is cancelled. Therefore 3 upon 2p minus 1 upon 8p cube. This is the final answer of our 6th problem. Now friend, we are start with our 7th problem, that is 1 minus 1 upon a the whole cube. It is similar to our formula, that is a minus b cube is equals to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. Here our a is 1 and b is 1 by a, therefore 1 cube minus 3a square that is 1 square b is 1 by a plus 3a that is 1b square is 1 by a square minus b cube that is 1 by a cube. Now friend, 1 cube is 1 minus 3, 1 square is 1 into 1 by a as it is plus 3 into 1 is 3, 1 square is 1, a square is 1, a square, 1 cube is 1, a cube is a cube. Now friend, 1 minus 3 into this one that is 3 by a plus 3 by a square minus 1 by a cube. This is our final answer. Now friend, we see the last sum of our exercise 5.3 question number 1, that is x minus 3 by x cube. Apply the formula, that is a minus b cube is equals to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. Here our a is x by 3 and b is 3 by x, a cube that is x by 3 cube minus 3a square that is x by 3 square, b is 3 by x plus 3a that is x by 3, b square is 3 by x square minus b cube is 3 by x cube. Now friend, we know the x cube, that is x cube, 3 cube is 27 minus 3 as it is, x square is x square and 3 square is 9, and write down 3x, 3 by x as it is plus 3 into x upon 3, 3 square is 9 by x square minus 3 cube is 27 by x cube. Now friend, write down x cube by 27 as it is. Now multiplying this we get 9x square upon 9x plus 9 3s are 27x upon 3x square minus 27x cube. Now here are 2x and here is 1x, therefore 1x is cancelled, 9 9 cancel. Now 3 9s are 27, here is 2x, 1x is cancelled. We get the final answer as x cube by 27 minus x plus 9 by x minus 27 by x cube. Hope friend that you understand the question number 1 of exercise 5.3. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe